Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today I'd like to discuss living in real time. We have many obligations in our daily lives. We have many timetables, many schedules. We have to consider past performance. We have to consider what is to become of this current situation. So, sometimes we can forget to act, to listen, to be aware right now, because we're so caught up in what has already happened, and we're so worried about what is yet to be. We can often lose sight of the here and now. For instance, I work a lot, and sometimes I don't get to see my kids before they go to bed. Sometimes I have to leave before they go to school. So when I have time, I'm at home. It's a day off, or I'm just home early. Sometimes I can be so tired, so exhausted, so concerned with bills and other responsibilities that I don't play with my kids, give my wife the attention she needs, because I'm too caught up in things that are not in this present moment. So I have to catch myself, take a breath, de-stress, and enjoy the moment. The fresh air, or the rain, the clouds, or the sun. Enjoy my children, enjoy my wife, just to converse with them, just to share a meal, to be a part of their daily lives. Living in real time takes a little patience. You have to have patience for what is yet to be, and you have to have a release of attachment to the past. So when we can balance ourselves, yes, we have to remember what happened. We have to look at that as an indicator of what could become, and we have to plan for tomorrow. We have to be concerned with what is yet to come. However, we must also give equal importance, if not more, to the here and now. To be aware of that moment, this moment. Listen, breathe, enjoy the now. Or before you know it, it will be gone, and you can never regain it. Enjoy today. Enjoy living in real time. Are you able to live in real time? I'd like to hear your stories in the comments below. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for ringing that notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. And of course, I thank you for liking and sharing this video. Your likes do help this channel. Thank you so much for your participation in the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Namaste.